Today I'm going to be solving this 2x2 blindfolded. Just mixing it up. That's not working. That's good, kind of, but it's alright. Okay. Good enough. So yeah, this thing has to go to wherever it goes to here, which is S. We have S. So we have V. V goes to here, which is B, vibe. S vibe is moved to here, which is S vibe. Here, which is W goes to here, which is S vibe WG wig, S vibe wig, S Sally vibes with your wig. Sally vibes with your wig. So we just have Sally vibe with Sally vibes with your wig. And then this piece has to go to here, which is V, and then we have S. We have Sally vibe with your wig. Sally. Now you have S vibe. S vibe wig. And this piece has to go to C. C goes to here, which is K. Cook. So we have Sally. Now we have S vibe cook. S vibe wig cook. Okay. Now I'm look up so I cannot cheat. I did it.